The Mediterranean diet is inspired by the traditional eating habits of people living in countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, mainly Greece, Italy, and Spain. This diet emphasizes the consumption of whole unprocessed foods and is characterized by high intake of fruits and vegetables. These provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber for a healthy diet. They are the foundation of the Mediterranean diet, and it is recommended to consume a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables daily. Whole grains like brown rice, whole wheat bread, barley, and quinoa are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and they help maintain a healthy digestive system. Healthy fats. Olive oil is the primary source of fat in the Mediterranean diet, which is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Nuts and seeds also provide healthy fats and can be consumed in moderation. Consuming fish and seafood at least twice a week is encouraged, as they are excellent sources of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D, which have numerous health benefits, including supporting heart health. Legumes and beans. These are excellent sources of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Common legumes in the Mediterranean diet include lentils, chickpeas, and various types of beans. Dairy products such as full-fat yogurt and cheese can be consumed in moderation, while milk is generally not consumed as a beverage. Poultry and eggs. These are consumed in moderate amounts, with a preference for lean cuts of poultry and eggs as a good source of protein. The Mediterranean diet limits the intake of red meat, processed foods, refined sugars, and saturated fats. It not only focuses on the types of foods to eat but also emphasizes the importance of eating meals with family and friends, savoring food, as well as being physically active. Numerous studies have shown that the Mediterranean diet is associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. It has also been linked to improved mental health, increased longevity, and a better overall quality of life. This is the first of a series of videos about the Mediterranean diet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you want to see more content like this, please click subscribe. Thank you.